Is it time to buy or sell Knightscope stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Knightscope. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, July 17, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 3, 2023, our system has ranked Knightscope as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.04. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 179.13% since we first listed Knightscope as a buy candidate 10 days ago. This translates to an average return of 17.91% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 26.93% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -62.77% and 65.74%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -59.12% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -100% and -47.11%. This translates to a price range of $0 to 88 cents after a year. Our latest daily update for Knightscope includes the headline, High Volatility in Knightscope Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $1.66. The Knightscope Incorporated stock price fell by -23.15% on the last day, Monday, July 17, 2023, from $2.16 to $1.66. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 53.42% from a day low at $1.46 to a day high of $2.24. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 212.68% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 25 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $42.07 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $3.87, and the lowest price was $0.360. Currently, the price is 57.11%, or $2.21, below the 52-week high, and 93.96%, or $25.84, below the all-time high on January 31, 2022, when the price reached $27.50. Analysts have given Knightscope stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock and sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Knightscope. The Knightscope Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.40 and $0.660. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 14, 2023, and so far it has fallen -23.15%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 106 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Knightscope. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.57 and $1.56. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $1.56 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.780 between high and low, or 53.42%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 40.6%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Knightscope, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on Nov 19, 2023. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Knightscope. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Knightscope encounters its first support level at $1.57. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Knightscope from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 2, 2023, Lenhart Aaron J. conducted an insider buy of 238,000 shares of Class A common stock. On June 2, 2023, Lenhart Aaron J. conducted an insider sell of 238,000 shares of Class A common stock. On June 2, 2023, Lenhart Aaron J. conducted an insider sell of 238,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On July 12, 2022, Weinberg Peter M. conducted an insider buy of 114,484 shares of stock option, right to buy. On July 12, 2022, Stephen Stacy Dean conducted an insider buy of 99,616 shares of stock option, right to buy. Based on the 42 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -25.318. Overall, insiders purchased 1,458,299 shares and sold 4,046,000 shares in the last 42 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.58, minus 4.52%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Knightscope stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Knightscope Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, July 18th, we expect Knightscope to open up $0.127 and start trading at $1.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.